the best, Fabros the greatest, Fabros emu ede se kwa ye timi ka Fabros ne pa bio. It is alleged say Kotoko player bi ese assembly call so Kotoko anebo anwo so. Enti ofre opponent na one Kotoko besi aka na say Kotoko e de junior team ni bi nkwala ni bi na ebebo ball ni sa opponent na one Kotoko besi aka no enyi wo mo hono mo nhye Kotoko pa because of say nebo anwo so say sabi empanimfu ana say coach no e decide say obey introduce junior team no nkwala no ama mo so etima ba senior side one ma abebo Asante Kotoko etima sa this player no but you do betimi afro betimi so like oh comment Fabra betimi so ahye e de amare na wabo na etima go just stand together Slambe no etima player no efre opponent ni say Kotoko de junior side ni nkwala no na ebesi aka ni no player no bufu because of say yamfa ono no mumu ami jinaman si aka ni no Kotoko lose that match no like this one I've been always say some of the players ni be are enemies of the club omon pe club no kanko on pe club no hudo eninimu eje say wate say Kotoko enti Kotoko do ba obenya sika ebichi okaye enti na obo Kotoko but senka enyesa na say o mesi bia we senior player na bia the junior one na ba say ono so emeso ne boblo nhwe in the near future because who start player who particular player untimi mo team na kofum say be yoluma e do be free wodom nti wo say yitimi e promote nkwala no so mo so ba inso obsen ka di anigye ebe hye nkwala no din e hye nkwala no so mra no so eme kire bibi on ba blanke so so muni hono mana nkwala abehye manan umumu e predicted doom for Asante Kotoko o predicted doom say Kotoko and lose that match because of say ya mom be say kanenti so that say but you see so no boni ensuma do din komo no o din komo no so no players ni bitie eye ne sa player no players na match say you say ibe yi won di no na say e ba pa mo no sa player definitely no e pa mo because empanimfu ate panimfu nim team all these things no am team who say players ni bu Kotoko a o man ka san o musa ye enemy enema Kotoko abon pe club no kanko because ono no momo amesi akande de Kotoko no emu na Kotoko nhye ye nhye Kotoko such players no omuni do so odo Kotoko anko nkasa nti e wo say ye fish omo nya out ni jomo kwan these players no omo say aso one per club no because how can you say such a thing so omo you no Kotoko like how because of say yan selected enti say the team no lose team no nkofom wa fro opponent say omo nhye Kotoko then you be happy say ya Kotoko isn't it? You'll be happy. Sekotoko, I lose that game. You'll be happy. Sekotoko, Ekofom. Because of say, yan selecto, coach and selecto, untino. Yeah, the junior side, no, and I say, Nkwala no, mubi, and na ebe bontino. Eya ya. And Tisadi Makotoko, Ednim Kunin. So, two focus say, Kotoko, na one air bosom. Nti wo ba dwuma for Kotoko ho a sa odi no ya mommo nkyere na video no ya players ne ba mommo nkyere omo no hu se ha Kotoko no esitie omo yo makon abo tim ni omo yo bo tim ni ene asio mu yi bituma bobo a lot of players omo yo makon abo tim no e na niam akoyi e de ama omo dia ma me nyesa mu player think positive about the club. Club na ma onsakwa no feed you pay this is just a little advice for our players. I am back at Sante Kotoko. Midian Nana Pukumakramu. Shalom, peace. Bye bye.